Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to download this free app from Mad Scientist developer, Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on this gear at the top right corner. Finally, after hitting Accept in First Things First pop-up, you can tap on one of those presets and tap on Yes to apply the chosen one, or manage all of those options instead. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back. Click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can pick home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and tap on home button, I can state my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!